Hey guys, Jacob Hartley here. In this video, I want to go over some new and exciting changes that Goringless SMS has incorporated into their program. So let's go ahead and log in. I'm going to show you what those changes are and how they get to benefit you greatly. So this is exciting news, you guys. So let me go ahead and log in here. Choose the cars, verify. Got my username, my password, and I'm going to go ahead and log in. Alright, so when you log in, when you sign up for Goringless SMS, the change they have made for you is this button right here. Before it used to be, download software. They've gotten rid of the scraper softwares, and what they're doing is they are giving us 75,000 free leads every single month. So let's think about this for a moment. You pay a one-time fee and you get unlimited leads for life, 75,000 leads per month. You guys, that's enough to work with and enough to use for this program or anything that you're doing. If you have your own primary business, you can use those leads for that business. You can also use it to promote this technology itself. So what you do is you click on this Leads for You button, and it says we no longer support the scrapers. This lead service, 75K leads per month, has replaced the scrapers. Here's how it works. 75,000 leads per month. Fill out this form below with the email address where we will send you the leads. The leads are obtained from capture page submissions of people seeking a home-based business. We don't give you targeted leads for specific industries or areas. We don't give you leads for specific areas. All leads are from USA and Canada. In other words, you will not receive leads from a certain area code or city. The leads come with email address and phone number. The phone number may be a landline or a cell phone number, and some may be disconnected. Voice drops will not deliver to landlines or disconnected numbers, and will not waste credits trying to do so. On the first of every month, you can fill out the form above and another batch of 75,000 leads will be sent to you. You will need to fill out the form by the 3rd of each month or no leads will be sent to you until the following month, as long as you fill out the form by the 3rd of the month for any given month. We do not guarantee these leads to make you money. We do not take responsibility in how you use these leads. If you have any questions about the leads, please refer to the FAQs and stipulations laid out in this paragraph. So to recap, 75,000 leads delivered via email to you every month when you fill out the form above. The leads will be emailed to you by the 5th of the month. There is no charge for these leads as long as you are an active member of Goringless Extreme and or Goringless SMS. If you own both programs, you can get 150,000 leads per month. You must fill out the separate forms by the 3rd of each month to receive these leads. So what you do is you click on this I'm not a robot, agree, put in your email address and hit submit, and they will send you those leads every single month. What's cool about those leads is you can sort them by city and area code. In here they don't do specific area codes. You can actually go in there, and when you open the CSV file they send to you in an Excel sheet, you can sort all that data. So let's say you just want a certain area code. You can sort it by a certain area code. If you want a certain city, you can do that if you want male or female. So these are all people that are looking for an opportunity. They're looking for a home-based business. These are people that are hungry, that are looking for something, and they've got credit cards in hand, ready and waiting for the right opportunity to come along. And so when we take that list and send a ringless voicemail to them about this opportunity, letting them know that they can have an unlimited amount of leads, 75,000 per month for life, you guys, that's huge. And then to be able to send a voicemail to those leads, so get the leads and be able to contact those leads. I don't know of any other place where you can get that many leads for such a low cost. Let's go. Let's do a quick Google search. Let's see how much let's see, surveyed BizOp leads. Let's take a look here. List 57. Let's see if they have any pricing on their website. So 200 surveyed leads for $189. You can get 500 surveyed leads for $425. Or you could get 1,000 leads for $800. For only 1,000. You guys, these leads, they're giving us $75,000 or 75,000 leads for $597 one time. $597. These guys are only giving you 1,000 leads for $800. Think about that. And this is one time here. We're getting them every single month for live. So $597 one time is a phenomenal deal. So you guys, if this is for you, if this is what you're looking for, go ahead and get signed up. You can get signed up going to GoRinglessTexting.com. That will put you with me. I have a step-by-step training that will show you how to use the system, how to send out your own voicemail broadcasts, how to upload these leads into the system to be able to do that. And you'll learn some awesome marketing techniques, and you'll see exactly how we make money with this program and how you can use this to promote any other primary business that you have out there. So I look forward to working with you. Go ahead and get yourself signed up again. That's GoRinglessTexting.com, and I'll see you on the inside. Have a great day.